Seen the trees, and the trees was going. I was like, hold on, that don't look right. The clouds are coming this way. Yeah, it's raining out here, y'all.
That dark crowd.
Yeah.
I looked out.
Crazy out here, y'all. We just got caught in the rain. You said what, Lil Dre?
You was looking at the clouds, and I looked at it. You said it looked fake. I started looking at it, and then I was like,
yeah, it looked real fake.
Yeah, then I was like, look, then I was thinking, like, they said it was gonna be scattered thunderstorms. There was a chance of that. And I saw that,
And now your father is gonna get caught in it.
I'm glad I looked at this time like, hold up, it just got dark real quick.
Yeah, we was out there jamming. Bounce back. I was like, okay. Yeah, the rain. I was like, okay. Yeah. My glasses are wet. Y'all see that?
Yo, oh shoot, where's my carry sauce? I hope the gas is
Yeah. So I guess it's time for little storytelling. You see the rain, mommy, baby? You see the rain?
Yeah, take that fitness watch off. You got a blinking up.
You see the rain?
Let's go inside before we catch the cold.
That's why you're not supposed to be climbing up
Get
there.
off of that.
No, you don't take my water.
That's why cut on that light. That's why you're not supposed to be running over there.
No, don't lock it. Daddy's coming back.
Yeah, don't lock it. Your father's coming right in here.
in the kitchen.
Get off the step stool.
Get off the steps.
Don't tell him nothing. Don't tell him nothing. What he trying to get? Go ahead. Watch this. No, watch this. Go ahead.
There's your time. Open up that gate.
Go ahead.
Hello, Daddy.
We all got caught out there.
We had to hurry up.
There was a cloud behind the trees. Mommy said it was fake. I was like,
Did you get the speaker from outstairs?
Yeah, we got everything.
My travels from out there?
Yeah.
Then the wind started picking out. I was like, oh, let's go inside.
Yeah, it was there one day. I was like, whoa.
Took it 10 seconds and then the
So you
driveway
can't get to it, King? You can't get the water, huh? It's because you're supposed to ask people, okay?
And when you started hurrying because it started raining. It started raining.
Dre, it was going crazy out there. It was like, I was like, those trees look like they moving kind of heavy.
Then leaves started falling.
Mazzali out there screaming and hollering.
What's going on?
Where is Mazzali? Where is the baby?
She's right here behind the
How
truck.
are you?
Look at her. Where you trying to get to?
She's trying to eat some teddy bears.
Did I tell you you can have those? Mommy, baby.
All that.
Mommy, baby.
Where's my phone?
Say please.
Where your phone?
Oh, it's right here.
You know you hear
I
me.
thought you were watching.
Say please.
Here.
Say please. Okay, you can have some. That's because you're a little kid and you're not supposed to be up
Why
there.
is he up there?
Call himself, get some water. I was showing him that he can.
Move.
Yeah, we did have some fun out there.
I came fast.